21 days of visualization challenge. Like one goal that you've been waiting for a long time. Would you like to take a focused 21 days visualization challenge for that one goal of your life? Most people do visualization in the wrong way. That is why they don't get results. The right way of visualization is what you're about to do now. Then in that case, right away, let's get ready. So today we are going to do something very, very special. We are doing 21 days of visualization challenge. How many of you want to do a 21 days visualization challenge where all your goals, all your manifestation can come true, but especially that one goal that you've been waiting for a long time? Would you like to take a focused 21 days visualization challenge for that one goal of your life? And here is the beautiful part. You don't have to do anything. You have to follow my video. Take a seat at one place right now. I'm going to start some amazing music. Make sure that your hands are on your heart. Close your eyes when I tell you to. And then I'm going to guide you through a beautiful visualization. Most people do visualization in the wrong way. That is why they don't get results. The right way of visualization is what you're about to do now. You do this for 21 days, you will get magical results. My only condition is this, that when you get magical results, will you come back and tell me in the comment section what results you got? Then in that case, right away, let's get ready. Work on 21 days challenge. All you need to do, like I said, is follow my instructions. But what are we going to visualize? First, you have to be having clarity on that, right? Okay. Whenever we visualize something, we want to visualize the end result. So I'll give you quick examples. Health. Let's not talk about going to the right gym, finding the right doctor. Let's talk about the end result that you will visualize today. It may be some health problem that you have already healed for yourself. It may be weight that you have already lost. In area of relationship, it can be you are already married. It can be that your married life is happy and peaceful and all the conflicts are over. If it is a divorce going on, then you're saying maybe the divorce is done peacefully. If there is a conflict going on between you and your boss in the office, then we are visualizing that the conflict is resolved and you and your boss are having a conversation in a very healthy manner in a meeting room in the office. So I'll show you the visualization, how to do it, but you need to be clear about your end result. If it's career, it may be about getting a job, but don't worry about which company, don't worry about which city, which country. Just focus on getting that job. If it is about financial life, then the goal may be about, by the end of this month, how much money do I want in my bank account? So directly the end result. So whatever is the date today, I like to say, take 30 days from now and create a goal that can be achieved probably between 30 days. Because if you could get quick results, quick magical result in visualization within 30 days, if you do this for 21 days challenge, obviously within 30 days, you should get your results. Wouldn't you love it if it works in 30 days? Yes or no? But then you have to be clear about what goal you want to achieve within 30 days. So tell me in the comment section, what goal would you like to achieve within 30 days? And even if you don't want to write it in the comments, that's okay. You need to have clarity. What would you like to visualize in the next 30 days? Maximum 30 days. That's the end goal that we're going to keep in mind. So is it going to be something very big right now? Are we saying that if you are not having a baby in your family right now, in 30 days, you're going to be pregnant and deliver the baby and going to have it at home? No. Unfortunately, the universe cannot even make that happen right now in 30 days. That requires a minimum process of 9 months, right? So let's not talk about some crazy goals right now. Let's talk about 30 days. Are you clear about that? I'm just giving you quick, short time. Write it down on your notepads if you need to. 30 days from now, what is the date? And the reason I'm saying what is the date is you decide the date. From today, 30 days from now, what is the date? And what have you already achieved? And then I'll show you the right way of visualization. When I make you visualize this, all you need to do is do the same visualization every day for 21 days. I have been doing it regularly in my life, and I find out that whenever I'm doing 21 days challenge for short goals that can be achieved within 30 days, boom, I get the results very, very fast. Ready? Let's go. All you need to do now, take a seat. Come on, quickly, take a seat. If you're standing down, take a seat. Take a sip of water if you need to, because whenever you're doing this exercise, you need to be hydrated. Why hydrated? Water has oxygen. Oxygen has energy. Energy creates manifestation. Energy is very good. So come on, I'll drink some water with you. That's it. Just a quick sip of water. Now, take a seat. Hands on your heart. Close your eyes. I'm going to play some beautiful music. This is specific visualization music that I'm using. All right. Hands on your heart. Close your eyes. Relax your energy. Focus on your breathing. And now, breathe. I'm going to increase the volume of my music. You won't be able to hear anything which I'm saying because I'm not saying anything. Just focus on the music and breathe. All right. Now, as you're breathing, I want you to relax your forehead. Focus all your energy on your forehead and relax your forehead. Focus all your energy on your eyes and relax your eyes. Focus your energy on your face and relax your face. And you'll observe wherever your focus goes, you're able to relax that area. You can feel the energy relaxing there. Focus on your shoulders, relax it. And now focus on your chest, relax it. Beautiful. Focus on your back, relax. Your lower back, your stomach, relax. Now your lower back, your thighs, your knees, your calves. Now focus all your attention on your feet and relax it and keep it feet flat. Perfect. Now I want you to repeat with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take another deep breath and say, dear conscious mind, subconscious mind, and dear universe, whatever I visualize now manifests at lightning speed for me and everybody around me, for the good of me and everybody around me. Okay, now I want you to imagine that end result on that date and say it. What is the date today? Today the date is 6 p.m. in the evening, and I have already achieved. What have you achieved? Say it loudly. What have you achieved? And how are you feeling because of this? Give me the answer of that feeling. Amazing. And now imagine that you're coming home on the way, and when you open the door and you reach home, your entire family is there with a surprise saying, "Yay! Congratulations!" Imagine your entire family giving you a surprise, and they already knew that you achieved this goal. So they're giving you congratulations, they're hugging you, they're surprising you. And the best part is some of your old friends are there with you. Who are there with you? Imagine it. And there's a cake in the center over there. And on the cake, your goal is written. It's done. Visualize it. And as you can see the cake, who's cutting the cake with you? Hold your hands, hold your right hand, hold that knife, go towards that cake. And who's holding your hands with you? And imagine cutting that cake. And which cake is it? What's your favorite flavor? And now imagine that you're taking that cake And who are you giving the first bite to? Come on, take that piece in your hands. Who are you giving that first bite to? And imagine that person takes that cake from your hands and suddenly they give you a surprise. They take the cake and put it on your face. And feel that cake on your face now. Come on, feel it on your face. Taste the cake and feel the stickiness it gives you on your face. And feel the mood of hitting that person back saying, "Kyun kya?" And everybody's celebrating, everybody's happy. Imagine everybody's hugging each other and having cake fight. And now imagine you've gone to the washroom, you've washed your face. Imagine washing your face. And as you're washing your face and the cake is gone from your face, look at the mirror, look in your eyes, and look at the happiness. And say thank you. And imagine saying thank you to you in that mirror. And as you're saying thank you, imagine the party is over. And you're going to sleep at night. But before you sleep at night, in your bedroom, you're going to that temple in your house. Go to that temple, join your hands in the Namaste position, or in whichever way you pray. Go to that prayer area. Go into that praying position right now and say, "Thank you, universe. Thank you so much. This was so magical. This was so effortless." And imagine saying thank you to the universe and coming to the bed. And now imagine going to sleep. And for a few seconds, I really want you to go to sleep right now. Just close your eyes and just go into dreams as if you're sleeping peacefully. Because this goal is achieved. How would you sleep, by the way, when this is achieved? Sleep like that for a few seconds now. I'm going to be silent. And now imagine you woke up in the morning. The first morning after this goal is achieved. How are you feeling? Suddenly you remember the cake, you remember the party, you remember the celebration, you remember the thank you. How are you feeling? And now imagine it's been more than 1 more month after that. What is the date after that? 1 more month after that? Go to that 1 more month after that. Come on, go in the future. And now imagine this goal has become normal for you. You've not only got it in your life, you've sustained it in your life. And it has become so normal that now it is just there. All that excitement is gone, all that craziness is gone. Now it's just normal because it's there. It's part of your life now. And it's become permanent in your life now. And you're just living life normally now with this goal as part of your life, as if it's your breathing now. How does it feel to have this thing in your life as normal as breathing? And now say thank you. And quickly open your eyes and say congratulations, Tathastu. All right. How many of you promise me you will share your results with me after you do this 21 days of visualization? How many of you loved the visualization exercise, by the way? Type in yes in the chat window. And when the results happen, tell me below the YouTube channel also in the video, right below the comments, or send me an email at contact@miteshkhatri.com. Those of you who are platinum, you have access to me. Share your results with me in the community section.
All right. How was that video? Did you love it? Tell me in the comments, what did you learn? I would love to read. And if you want to go more in detail of this and you want to really start practicing these kind of advanced law of attraction techniques, in the description below, I've given you a link where you can register quickly for the first lesson of advanced law of attraction completely free. Do it now. And in the first lesson, I will show you how you can multiply your life attractions by 10 times speed with simple law of attraction hacks. Ready? See you in the advanced law of attraction lesson number 1 completely free. And hey, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Okay. See you soon. Bye.